How to make a firming oil for your legs. If you want to keep your legs firm and toned, we want to be clear, there isn't a miracle method that makes them look like this. This part of your body that lets you stylize your figure can be problematic. After all, this is where fat, cellulite and other beauty problems show up and make you uncomfortable. So, a firming oil can do the trick. Many products have been made that you use externally to reduce flabbiness. But, you need to use them together with a daily exercise routine, and a healthy diet. Also, it's good to keep in mind that there are some natural treatments. Thanks to their ingredients, they firm up the skin tissue in this part of your body. In this article, we want to share a homemade rosemary firming oil. For a low price, it reduces flabbiness and poor circulation in your legs. Are you ready to try it? Rosemary firming oil for your legs. This rosemary firming oil for your legs is a natural product. It comes from crushing rosemary in extra virgin olive oil. These ingredients stand out because of their fatty acids, antioxidants, and amino acids. After being absorbed through your skin, these compounds help to reduce flabbiness and cellulite. Applying them with massages helps to increase circulation in the lower part of your body. As a result, this prevents the appearance of spider and varicose veins. This firming oil has vitamins A, C, and D. These are necessary for supporting good collagen and elastin production in your skin. And, this firming oil is perfect for jump-starting your lymphatic system. This promotes the removal of toxins, liquids, and other kinds of waste that affects your skin in one way or another. While it doesn't help reduce flabby muscle mass, it is a great complement to firming the skin on this part of your body. It also helps you to relax your tired legs. This reduces your inflammation and pain. Among other things, its essential fatty acids feed and strengthen your skin's fibers. This is what helps to reduce the appearance of stretch marks on your thighs and glutes. How do you make rosemary firming oil? To get the firming properties of this natural rosemary oil, all you have to do is follow a few easy steps. You can easily get the ingredients in a health food store or a supermarket. And, if you buy commercial products, they're much cheaper. But, we suggest that you get extra virgin olive oil. This is because the more refined versions don't have the same nutritional quality. Ingredients: 8 sprigs of fresh rosemary, 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Utensils: A glass jar with a lid, a wooden spoon. Instructions. Wash the fresh rosemary branches well and put them to dry at room temperature. When they are ready, cut them into several pieces and place them in a glass jar. Cover the rosemary with olive oil and stir with a wooden spoon. Seal the bottle and store it in a cool, dark place for 20 days. In this time, uncover the bottle every 2 or 3 days and stir the ingredients with a spoon. After 20 days, uncover the product, filter it with a cloth strainer and discard the remains of the branches. Application. Put a little of this firming oil on the palms of your hands. Then, rub it on your legs with smooth, circular movements. Massage your legs for 5 to 8 minutes. Press with your fingertips to get the best results. Be sure to let the oil absorb into your skin without rinsing it off. Let it work all night. Repeat this treatment 2 to 3 times per week to get good results. Keep in mind that even though your legs will immediately feel relaxed, this oil's firming effects don't come from just one application. It's important to apply it multiple times per week on a consistent basis. This is how you'll get its main benefits. Don't forget that this isn't a miracle remedy for toning your legs. Because of this, you need to complement it with a good diet, drink water, and exercise.